Hello guys, today we are going to try to solve this coordinate geometry question. Tangents are drawn to the hyperbola 4x square minus y square equals to 36 at the points P and Q. If these tangents intersect at a point T03, then the area of PTQ is. So we have to find the triangle made by the tangent and the hyperbola, whose equation we have been given with 4x square minus y square equals to 36. So first let's try to make this into a ideal hyperbola equation. So divide this by 36, we get x square upon 36 minus y square upon 36 equals to 1. So we can say x square upon, this is 3 square minus y square upon 36, that is 6 square, equals to 1. So we can say, I compare this to the ideal hyperbola equation, that is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. So we have a equals to 3 and b equals to 6. Now we have been given that a point T tangent are drawn to hyperbola P and Q. Hence the equation of the chord of contact PQ will be x upon 9 into 0 minus y upon 36 into 3 equals to 1. Easy. So with this equation we can find the value of y. So x into 0, 0, which implies 3y minus 3y upon 36 equals to 1. So minus 3y equals to 36 and y equals to 12, minus 12. So we can put this in our initial equation, equation number 1, x square upon 9 minus 144 upon 36, 12 square equals to 1. Now we have x square equals to 45, which is x equals to plus minus under root 45, which is 3 root 5. So now we have P point equals to 3 root 5 power minus 12 and Q equals to minus 3 root 5 minus 12. Yeah, cool. So now we have to find the area of the triangle PTQ. Okay, this is the easy part. Area of triangle will be the half into the discriminant of the roots of the equation we found out. Solving this discriminant, we have the correct answer, that is 45 root 5, which is option C.